That was just a small preview of the endless possibilities of 3D printing. 3D printing can also be used to solve ethical dilemmas in the classroom. One specific topic is the issue of dissections. Some students have a lot of difficulty performing dissections on animals, but with 3D printing, models can be created and then dissected, which would allow every student to participate in the lesson. Once again, there are endless possibilities, and it is up to you as a teacher to be creative and innovative. 3D printing can also be used as a motivational tool for students. For example, you can print off little toys or models that can be used as positive reinforcement, or you can give your students the options of designing a program to print an object of their choice. This reward can be granted if a student completes all of their work, does well on a test, or exhibits any other desired behavior. 3D printing will be an excellent addition to any classroom. 3D printing is also useful because, oh shoot, I messed up a minute.